Hello everyone, this is Ayushi Gupta, genetic counselor from Redcliffe Labs. Here I am to share a case study on importance of genetic counseling and therapies in neurodevelopmental disorders. So neurodevelopmental disorders are the group of disorders which includes intellectual disability, autism spectrum disorders, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, communication disorder, motor disorder, etc. Advanced genetic technology has revolutionized the classification and the diagnosis of various neurodevelopmental disorders. So, after the diagnosis has been made, genetic counselors play a major role in helping families and to understand the neurodevelopmental diagnosis, its implication on their child, through psychosocial counseling, which provides the information about potential etiologies and helping the families in making informed reproductive decisions. Here we have performed the case control study, which includes 100 patients from 3 different regions from age 15th month to 15 year, where they have been offered for the pre-test, post-test genetic counseling based on their clinical diagnosis. So based on the study of 100 patients, we found 24 pathogenic, 14 likely pathogenic, 16 VUS, that is variant of uncertain significance, with good depth and clinically correlating with the phenotype symptoms of the patient, where 14 patients were found for neuromuscular disorder and the other 32 patients were normal for the genetic testing. So as we all know that as a genetic counselor, neurodevelopmental disorders are also caused by the environmental factor. So as a genetic counselor, we are also practicing with the clinician and the genomic diagnostic advancement, which has increased and are the beneficial for the patient with symptomatic and available treatment or the management options. Our study concluded that since the difference between disorders are not always evident, morbidity is frequent, and sometimes the environmental factor can also fail the diagnosis of neurodevelopmental disorders. Hence, with the negative report and the patient sometimes differing genetic test, symptomatic treatment and management options should be considered along with the psychosocial counseling. Additionally, the neurodevelopmental spectrum highlights the need for novel and adaptable approaches to diagnose the patient together with the help of genetic counselors and the clinicians. Thank you. Still 2.5 मिनट का हुआ है,
तो उसमें ऐड भी तो करोगे?
क्या ऐड करूँ?
स्टार्टिंग अच्छा शुरू से किया
खत्म करूँगा उसको।